What's up guys, we've been working on company logos redesign series for so long, but today I have something different. So today we're going to do a quick review on this Looka AI, which is special AI for logo making. So this is special AI for those who want to make thousands of logos effortlessly. In just few clicks they're going to make thousands of logos and to have a wide range of choices to which logo they want. So without wasting time, let's dive in and see. First of all, I'm going to search here for Looka AI logo maker, just like that one, and I enter. So we're going to open this one. As you can see now, it's going to take you direct to this first page, which needs you to write your company name. So I'm going to write here KCNS to mean Kill Creative Solution, and I click here get started, and here now it wants you to pick your industry. So I'm going to write here graphic design. It has brought here a suggestion, so I just click here a graphic designer, just like that one, and hit continue. And after here now it has brought some logo samples where we can make some choices like which one you need your logo to look like. So we're going to select here the one we need. We're going to check the orientation of logo. Maybe you need text, you need symbols, or whatever. So in this suggestion you are going to select the one you like. So let's say we want something like this one, and maybe we need also something like this one, and let us select one last, maybe this one. So after selecting these three samples, we're going to click here continue, and after here now we're going to select color, your favorite color, like the color you need for your logo. So let us go with this one here and just click continue. And after here now they want a slogan. We have put here the company name is KCS, and let's try to write here the slogan. We're going to write here something like choose wisely, just like this one. Click continue, like that one. And now they want to pick some symbol types. We're going to select here something like maybe arts. We're going to select here creative. We're going to select here graphic design. So after here now we're going to click continue. Now they're going to make here thousands of logos for you to select and to customize as how you need them to be. So here are the logos that are made according to your information you have provided and the choices that you've made. So as you can see, is KCS, the one that we wrote is our company name, and the orientation is the one that we chose from the sample. Looks like the ones that we choose from the samples they provided at the first time. And here we have our slogan here down. We wrote choose wisely. So here are thousands of suggestions, and we're going to select here from these logos, and you can customize them as how you want them to be. So you're going to choose here, and if you need more options you can just click here to load more logos. So you can click here load more logos, and it's going to load more and more logos here for you to choose. As you can see here we have a lot here, we have a lot. So from here now you can just select the one you need and just customize it as how you wish. So let's say we are happy with this one, we need this one, so we're going to click it and see it here. Now you can customize the layout, the everything, maybe the letters and whatever you wish. So here is a page for customization. So you have selected your logo and you can now customize and save it for your logo. So this is how this Looka AI logo maker works, and it's really helpful for someone who want to create thousands of logos effortlessly in just a few clicks. Just bring here your informations and select the samples, and boom, it's going to bring for you hundreds of logos for you to choose. So I hope you've enjoyed this one, and don't just take my word, give it a try and see how it's going to help you to make logos. But most of all, keep creating, keep making stuffs, keep pushing your limits. See you next Thursday.
Keeps driving, trapped in the maze.